What's up, fools and foolettes? My name's Desire. What? What are you barking about? You can't even walk. My bad, guys. My dog got into a fight yesterday, so yeah, he's a little bit limp. Yeah, there ain't nothing out there. Enough. On today's project, we are gutting out this whole trailer. So yeah, this is the state of it right now. Let's unlock this to get a little bit more light in here. I'm gonna rip. I'm taking all the wood out. All that stuff is coming off. That cleared up. Now we gotta rip all the wood up and address that rust. Let's get to that part. So these screws don't want to come out. Now we gotta drill out all of these. Oh, what's up? We got this part ripped out. I think I'm just gonna replace this one, and it's also bent. It's like it's bowed in. And this out, treat it, and add an extra one, because this is going to be the focal point of walking in and out. Maybe I should just add some members in between. Like this is supposed to be angle iron like that. Totally rotted out all the way over here. So I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, man. It being filled with sand for I don't know how long. Dang. This is the structural frame. All right. It is all gutted. Everything's out. I just gotta take all these little screws out. I don't want to leave those in the yard. I'll put them in that little scrap pile. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna grind all these down. I don't know if I'm probably gonna have to fucking take these walls out. God damn. It's already like free. We just gotta cut this little bit of ending. This is still kind of good. So I'm gonna start from here all the way over there. I had to take the fender off just to take the rivets out. Yeah, take it away so I could start cutting instead of having to cut over here. That guard right there. There's a section. Man, that's super rotted. Well, yeah, to be continued. I gotta get ready for work in about an hour. That's it right there. Hell yeah, man. This was a productive day. I needed to focus on that part right there. All of this, get it gutted out so I could address the rust damage. Or all it is right here that's rotted. This is all just surface rust that I could wire wheel out, treat it, and then go on with it. All right, guys, thank y'all for stopping by. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.